Namaskar. My name is Narvada Mohan. I am instructor in basic cosmetology, Government ITA Women, Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. I have been teaching this subject since 2002. At least 18 years of teaching experience. Today I will talk about beauty culture or beautification. I will give you a little introduction about what are the tasks related to beautification and beauty. The history of beautification has been very old. For a long time, all the toiletries related to beauty have been using them. Since ancient times, people were aware of their beauty and decorated themselves in many ways. If you look back in a history, they used to do some different makeup to woo his girlfriend. But all these things have been happening since olden time. Now you will see that the Queen of Egypt, to make her skin look beautiful, she used to mix the egg white in the sea soil to make such a pack that she applied on top of her face or on her body so that her skin stay perfect, and she used to apply kajal in her eyes. So, in this way, the use of cosmetics has been used since ancient times. Cleopatra is the queen of Egypt. Her name is still famous in the field of makeup or in the use of cosmetics. Since ancient times, women are more aware of their beauty. She has been using different types of cosmetics, but with the change of time, the interest in the people towards their beauty is more and more. Now, along with women, men are also participating very extensively in this field using cosmetics. When all these things have come, then after that the demand of beauticians has increased a lot. If you look at Himachal itself, whether the people of the village or the people of the city, all are aware of their beauty. On small functions, where marriage in their house, a small child is born, has a function, Diwali or any other festivals, so all are going to parlor so that they show themselves very beautiful, which is why the demand for beautician has increased. Now, I want to tell you about its courses that are being done in some place, like in our ITI, 1 year courses are being done. Even after that, small courses are also conducted, just like there is a SC/ST corporation. They are also trained peoples. Other institutions also impart training in this subject. In ITI, I speak according to myself that I am teaching this trade which is related to a beauty parlor. At least I have been teaching this subject for 18 years. Even before this, I was very interested in this. I like to maintain myself. Accordingly, I have chosen this topic. I have chosen this topic even after looking at employment, because you have enough skill in it, then you can earn a lot more in it. Beauty parlor courses are other institution where you can learn and do your work. You have to do this job in this right way. You have to do 1 year training in which you are taught all that treatment with the right method. Suppose what you have to do: threading, waxing, facial, manicure, pedicure, hair related, hair cutting, hair styling, straightening, hair perming, highlighting, etc. A lot of work which has been done in the parlor. All these things are taught there. If you think from where you take a loan, if you have a certificate, then all the banks give you a loan to run your business. You get some subsidy from the bank by taking a loan. Then you can set up your business very well. It is not that you have to run it at a very high level from the very beginning. You can run your parlor even a small level. For example, if you have done training and you do not have much capital, you cannot spend much, or you do not have any plan yet to start it on a big scale, you can start earning money at the same time. If you have skill, you have the will to learn. You can learn. After that, you can start your own parlor. After that, if you want to run your parlor on a big level outside the house, for that first you have to see how much it costs, what things you have to keep there, which equipments will be kept there, what kind of products will be used there. You have to manage all these things. You have found out the entire financial how much money we need to run our parlor. Along with that, you need to see the area where you want to open a parlor, what kind of the area where you want to run a parlor. You will have to see its location. Just like customers will come there, what is the arrangement there? Is there a parking arrangement for the people who are coming? When you are running all these things on a slightly larger level, otherwise you start from home, but if you feel that you can run a little bigger, then you know that there is a government bank. You will get a loan from there and at a lower interest rate, and you can start your work, because in the field of beauty culture has immense possibilities. You open a parlor. Like I already told you that there are different types of function or a wedding, festivals, etc. If you say that you are mehendi artist, took mehendi cone packet on of 120 rupees, and you have skills and you put it very well in your design, your timing is perfect, then you start applying one hand on 500, 600, 1100. If it's a bridal mehendi, you can start from 1100, and after that you can earn 5000, 6000, 10,000. Price are according to the way you designed it, which means you can earn a lot of money in it. Do the course of the parlor the right way, along with the treatment of the parlor. You can give it in a good way. There are thousands of treatments in the beauty parlor. For example, if you are have to take cream for the facial. Now I am telling you how much you can spend and how much you can earn from it. For example, if you are taking a good general facial kit, suppose you buy a kit of 2000, 2500. The price of the kit depends upon its company. For example, if you come with the 2500 kit, that facial would be in your 3000, 3500, 4000. Then think for yourself. If you have taken a kit, then suppose you have 10 facials from the 2500, then see how much you have earned from it. So you take it very well and learn it properly, then run your own parlor. I will say that you do this parlor. You have to keep the one thing in your mind. You have to run your own business. In this, you have to do the best work because you have to earn more in it.